New Zealand has been on my bucket list for so long, and after this series, you'll see why you need it on yours too. Check this out. Join the journey as we adventure through NZ's Great White Peaks, Glass Lakes, and sink a few drinks along the way, all in the green machine, Juicy Camper. It's about 7 degrees at the moment. Bit of a backstory. Had a trip booked about 2 years ago to come across New Zealand, do a camper van trip. Obviously COVID hit and then we couldn't get across, but one of my friends is getting engaged and wanted me to come across and take the photos for it. So super lucky to be able to come and do that as a job. So I thought I could use that opportunity to do 2-week travel around New Zealand in a camper van, which is a trip I wanted to do 2 years ago. It's a trip I've always wanted to do. So really looking forward to it. So yesterday packed up my bags, got on the flight from Brisbane to Christchurch, arrived about 1 AM this morning, and then got to the Juicy Camper place about 8:30 after I had a little nap. And then picked up this Butte, which is a self-contained camper. So if you do want to stay in the free spots, you do have to have a self-contained camper. So that's tip number 1. Juicy were great. Checked in yesterday, so it was nice and smooth this morning. You can upload all your details, went straight through. So the next step was to pick a spot. I downloaded this app called Rankers Camping NZ, which shows you all of the camping spots you can go to, free, paid, toilets, powered, unpowered, anything you want really. Picked a freedom spot about 2.5 hours north of Christchurch and then got here this afternoon. It's been piercing down all day, so not exactly photo weather. It is nice and moody out there, so could be a good chance to try a few different things, and you know, I don't really want to waste any time. So I'm probably going to take any photos that I can at any opportunity, any videos I can as well. So really looking forward to it. First spot is, so first location we found was Kaikoura, a place called Armour's Beach. There's a little free camping spot there. Just got to be out by 7 AM the next morning or something, so it's perfect for me. Just wanted to get out and just try and find a spot for the night. Pretty wrecked from all the travel, but still going to take some photos. Hopefully we find some really cool spots across New Zealand. Really looking forward to the trip, especially the engagement shoot next week. And yeah, stick with it. Cheers. And this is the first spot we're going to be shooting. It's pretty grim out there, but should make for some nice moody shots. See how we go. What are those? Definitely camping attire. I just had to stop off here and get some photos because it's absolutely epic looking up there. It's a shame that the clouds aren't a bit clearer, but it would have been awesome coming through on a clear day. It's pretty epic. Can't really see much, but it's freezing still. And just gonna stop off, have a little Vegemite sandwich and keep going on to the west coast. This is Linden Lake, and it was just on the way. Just saw heaps of cars parked and then saw this lake and just stopped off, and pretty awesome spot. I'm gonna keep moving because it's freezing, but I think Arthur's Pass is a little bit further past this, and that's supposed to be pretty cool as well, so should be good, but pretty epic, pretty cool. That would have been such a cool spot as well, just to get the drone up, but because of the rain, unfortunately can't do it. So we'll just get across to the next spot and keep going. Hopefully find some more spaces and get some epic shots with the drone soon. But I guess I'll just wait until it all passes and get some clear weather. But that's what it is. just pulled the camper over on the side of the road, just going to start taking some videos and some photos. These mountains in the background look pretty good, so see what we can come up with. So, all done for the day. Pretty epic drive from pretty much Christchurch through to Hokitika. Picked up some soap in Hokitika because I'm stinking. And then just found a little camping spot, a little free spot outside. It's about 15 minutes outside of Hokitika. Some sheep over there in the background, some mountains over this way. So, nice little spot to set up camp anyway. If you do get a chance, definitely hit up that drive because it was epic. Linden's Lake, Pearson's Lake, Arthur's Pass, yeah, they're all really awesome spots, so definitely recommend doing that trip pretty much from Christchurch to Hokitika. So it's supposed to take about 5 hours, but it took me about 7.5, 8 just doing the all the stops and taking some footage. So allow a bit of time to stop off because you're going to want to stop off definitely. And then find yourself a little camp outside Hokitika and set off in the morning. Probably hit up Franz Joseph tomorrow and then stay near Wanaka or maybe Lake Tekapo. I've got to be back in Christchurch by Tuesday night so that I can shoot on Wednesday. Really looking forward to that engagement shoot. Should be really nice up there as well. So hopefully get some good footage along the way. So day 3, off to an awesome start this morning out at Lake Matthew. Got up nice and early and drove down about 2 hours from where I was staying. Just near Franz Joseph Glacier, there's a place called Reflection Island in Lake Matthew, and check that out. It's pretty good. Awesome spot for some sunrise photos. So if you are going to come to NZ, definitely come and check this out. These ducks are making heaps of noise behind me, but apart from that, haven't seen many other people. Only one of the groups come through this morning, so nice and quiet. Gonna get back to the caravan, have some brekkie, and then just figure out what to do for the rest of the day. But yeah, day 3 definitely off to a good start. Couldn't really see anything this morning when I was walking to the spot to take photos, but it's a pretty awesome walk in as well. It's rainforesty kind of walk, and it's only about 45 minutes back to the car park, so I'm gonna take my time on this one and enjoy it. I think I was calling it Lake Matthew, it's Lake Matheson. Make sure you get to Lake Matheson. And we're back. Look at that juicy van. There's mountains in the background. Oh yeah. Time for brekkie. Time for the OG crunchy nut cereal, boy.
So day 3 was off to an absolute belter, starting with an epic sunrise at Lake Matheson, followed by a big bowl of golden goodness with that crunchy nut. We decided to head down the west coast and get across to Wanaka, one of the more popular spots in NZ. Along the way, I did not expect to see this awesome coastline, so I had to stop again at a place called Bruce's Bay and Maori Beach. It was the perfect time to get the drone out again and check out these mountains in the background. I knew New Zealand had some epic spots, but driving from point to point was just as good. all of these amazing spots to see along the way.
So just stopped off on the way down to Wanaka from Lake Matheson, decided to head there for the day. Sandflies are killing me, just stopped off at this little beach place, so gonna keep going, but what a cool little spot. Bay's right there, and then in the background you've got all the mountains and with the snow caps, like yeah, such a cool spot. People surfing, looks like a really awesome spot to just chill out for the day, but sandflies are killing me, so gonna keep going.
I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of plan. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now? I gotta realize that you
So made it to Wanaka, absolutely stunning little lake. Sun's probably just about to go down behind those mountains across there, but might get down to that Wanaka tree and see what that looks like at sunset, so keep moving along.
so understand what we could do. Around the world, say to Peru. We lie in bed till it's PM, eating breakfast when it's dark again.
So stopped in Wanaka tonight, booked into a holiday park so I can have a shower and get some charging done. So got the editing station happening, uploaded all the footage, and then just getting all the charging done as well. So apart from all that, the drive down today from Franz Josef to Wanaka, definitely recommend that one. That was awesome. Heaps of different spots you can stop off at and make a whole day of it. It was only supposed to take 3 hours, and I think it took me 8 hours. So, you know, is what it is. Got a workout in here in Wanaka. I'm gonna get another workout in tomorrow morning, and then probably head to Wanaka Tree and then figure out where to go next. So, see you in the morning.
Many beautiful faces.